All right, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be installing some new parts on the LS E36, and I figured I'd make a little update video. So since the last video I've made, I ended up getting some new wheels for it. These are Kosei K1s. They're a lightweight race wheel. I think it looks really good on the car. They're 17 by 8.5, and I have a 1-inch spacer just to get the fitment that I want for now. Once I put wider tires on, I'm going to have to get rid of the spacers. I also want to adjust the rear arms to get rid of this camber. Has a little bit from the factory of just being lowered. I think they look really good on the car. I originally wanted a set of MB Battles. I've already had a few sets before, and I wanted to switch it up, so I ended up buying these. But in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is installing these aluminum door cards I just picked up. These are going to replace the factory door panels. I don't have any on there right now because the factory ones are falling apart. It's common for E36s. The material that they're made of from the factory, once they get old, they get really brittle and they break. So that's exactly what happened to mine. So I've actually been driving the car without door panels on it, and I was getting pretty sick of it. I've actually been daily in this car because I sold my truck, and I don't want to be driving it every single day with no door panels. So I'll put these on. I think it's going to look really good when the interior is all done, but for now, these will do. Yeah, it's going to go something like that. I think it's going to look really cool when it's all done. For now, I'm going to start off by getting this rear valance installed, and I'm just going to have to get this old one off. I don't know how it goes on, but I've taken off 2 clips that hold this on, and I'm pretty sure it just clips in. So let's just kind of yank this off. Yeah, there we go. This one doesn't have the clips along the top like that one does, but maybe it will just kind of hang in there. I might have to trim it for the exhaust. I got this thing just propped up here for now. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm gonna have to trim around the exhaust just a little bit. And because this doesn't have the clips like the factory one at the top, I'll probably just use a little double-sided tape, and when I put the clips in, it should hold that in. But I think it looks pretty cool. For like 70 bucks, this is a good accent for the rear. So I just test fit the aluminum panel on this door, and it fits pretty good. And I started pre-drilling some of these holes. But what I'm gonna do now is remove all these loose U-nuts on all the bare metal, so they're not vibrating behind that panel, because right now, driving around with no door panels, all I hear is just metal on metal vibrating in these doors. So I think it would be a good idea to pull off all the loose hardware in here before I put these on. And what I started to do up top is, because I couldn't get off all this old glue, I started sanding it off, and I'll just spray some paint on there so it looks nice and smooth. This is how it looks all done. It's bolted up all the way around. The fitment's pretty good. The only thing I didn't like is just where the strap cutout is. The hole for it, where it bolts to the shell, is off-centered a little bit, so the strap's not perfectly flat. But the handle cutout's perfect. The door opens and closes just the way it should, doesn't get hung up on anything. I really like the way it looks, and I think it'll look pretty good when I have bucket seats in there too. So I'm happy with the way it looks, the rear valance and the door panels. I think the wheels look good too. So if you guys want to see more E36 content, drop it down in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.